Hello guys, and welcome to the last week of the month of August. We are going pretty fast. Next week it's already September, and then we have October, November and December. So only 4 months to finish the 2024 year, and I hope that everyone is having a massive good year so far, and that we continue to have a last quarter of 2024 in the best way as possible. Right, so market has been a bit crazy the last couple months, I would say, but the last couple weeks has been much more crazy. We saw the market dropping all-time, like 7 months low of DXY, the USD index. We saw Bitcoin retracing. We saw gold hitting all-time highs again. So it has been pretty interesting, I would say, how the market has been reacting so far. Now, the big thing I want to talk today is about the Jerome Powell, the JP, right, as Nathan Bray likes to call, the JP, with the speech he gave on the Jackson Hole committee, I would say. It's a Symposium something, but I forgot the name, but let's call it is a committee. Right. So there was one interesting thing that he mentioned that make all the market pretty much change from one side to another side. But before I say that, guys, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up on this video and share this content with your friends. These help us immensely, all right? We are here producing good content, valuable content every day for everyone. So, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. This will help us a lot. Right. So I want to see with the exactly words as Jerome Powell JP said. So I've noted down here on my blog today, and I want to just say this to you guys, all right? So I've noted down a little bit of a resume what JP say on the symposiums, if I'm not wrong, that's how it says. So I just want to read it exactly how it is here on my blog, that you can have access to this on a daily basis on the website, ACY website. So the instance that it's pretty much indicate that the Fed is increasingly aware of the risks of tightening monetary policy too much, which could hinder the economic recovery and increase financial instability. As a result, markets are now adjusting their expectations, with many predicting a slower pace of rate cuts or even a pause in the current tightening cycle. All right. So what does that mean? Okay, it's pretty simple. The market was predicting 50 basis points cut, and then it came into 25 basis points, a 25 basis points cut now. This turbulence move, from 50 to 25, 25 to 50, is making the US dollar very weak. And most of the other currencies, the major currencies as well as the emerging market currencies, are strengthening on the back of the US dollar. And this will most probably continue, though not if we have a higher than expected NFP next month, all right? This is the only thing that will stop the US dollar to be weak at this moment, a higher NFP than expected. If the NFP is expected to be 100 and it comes 110,000, then this will make a stronger US dollar. Now, if the NFP comes in much weaker than expected, then most probably we will continue to have a very weak US dollar for the coming quarter. Now, what I'm expecting for euro dollar, gold especially, is continuing to increasingly, probably will hit all-time highs again this next month, sorry. But for euro dollar, the move has been extended so far that yes, most probably we will see a pullback around 1.5% of the value where 1.12 that we were trading last Friday we were trading around 112, 111.9998, something around those numbers. So just let's say 112. So I'm expecting a pullback to somewhere 1.11, 1.107 maximum. That's my expectations for euro dollar at this moment. Aussie dollar will probably continue to go up, and the whole other market will be influenced by any of the speech that we're going to have this week. This week will be very volatile week ahead. So make sure to register for the webinar for tomorrow, 5 to 6 p.m. that I will disclose how the week will look like, what are we expecting from the week, and so forth. All right, guys, I hope you could take something out of this video, just a little rundown here on what happened on last Thursday and Friday and during the weekend because of the Jerome Powell on the Jackson Hole. And if you have any questions, please put down in the comments. Otherwise, come tomorrow from 5 to 6 p.m. on the webinar, and then you can answer. Then you can send me those questions live. All right. Thank you so much. Have all a great week ahead, and be careful. There is a lot of volatility ahead, so use risk management. And I see you tomorrow, or I see you in the next video. See you all. Bye bye.